Now it is question number 14. Find the equation of plane that bisect the line joining 1, 2, 3 and 3, 4, 5 and is right angle to the line. Means plane bisect the line and is right angle to the line. Suppose it is plane and it is line. This line is bisected by plane and makes 90 degree with the plane. Let the point 1, 2, 3 is given by point A and point B is 3, 4, 5. Since it is bisected by the plane, then the midpoint of line joining A and B must lie on the plane. Means firstly find midpoint of the line joining point A and B. We know that midpoint of the line joining points x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 is given by x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 and z1 plus z2 by 2. Then x1 plus x2 by 2 means 1 plus 3 by 2, 2 plus 4 by 2, 3 plus 5 by 2 and let it is m. Means coordinate of m 2, 3, 4. Point M, since the plane bisect the line, means point M must lie on the plane. Point M must lie on plane. No. It means we get a point lie on the plane and its coordinate are 2, 3, 4. Now we have to find the direction ratio of normal vector. Then since AB makes right angle with the planes, then direction ratio, let it is n vector because it is perpendicular to the plane. Direction ratio of AB is given by direction ratio of a line joining 2 points x1, y1, z1 and x2, z2 is given by x2 minus x1. Means 3 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 5 minus 3. Direction ratios of AB are 2, 2, 2. And AB vector represent n vector because AB is perpendicular to a plane and n vector means normal vector is also perpendicular to the plane. Then direction ratio of n vector are 2, 2, 2 and the value of n vector is 2i plus 2j plus 2k. Point A is given by position vector of point M is 2i plus 3j plus 4k. Then equation of plane passing through a point whose position vector is given and normal vector is given. is equation of plane r dot n equal a dot n r vector dot n vector is given, means 2i plus 2j plus 2k. A dot n means value of a is 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Dot n means 2i plus 2j plus 2k cap, and it is r vector dot 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap equal 4 plus 6 plus 8 and 4 plus 6 plus 8. Yes, r vector dot 2i plus 2j plus 2k equal 18. We can change it in Cartesian form by putting r vector equal xi plus yj plus zk. Then equation of plane becomes, put the value of r vector here and we get 2x plus 2y plus 2z equal 18, and equation of plane is x plus y plus z equal 9, and it is the answer.